I'm HVAC repair guy, and I've been wrenching on these systems for 17 years. Today I've got the Haier QPCA11YBMW going head-to-head with the Acekool CP1 portable air conditioner. Let's talk about the exhaust hoses and the window venting kits, because that's where the real physics of cooling happens. Both the Haier QPCA11YBMW and the Acekool CP1 are single hose units, which means they use a single plastic duct to exhaust hot air. Here is the engineering failure mode most people ignore. That hot air leaving the room has to be replaced. These single hose machines create negative pressure, pulling unconditioned hot air under your door and through your window seals. On a 95-degree day, that means the compressor is constantly fighting the hot air it's dragging back into the house, degrading your actual cooling capacity compared to a dual hose system. The Acekool CP1 sits on standard casters and has a standard cabinet footprint, but it features auto swing louvers to sweep the cold air vertically across the room. The Haier QPCA11YBMW also utilizes motorized auto swing louvers to throw the air, meaning neither unit leaves a stagnant thermal pocket in the corner. Inside these shells, you're looking at single-speed compressor technology. Neither machine uses an inverter compressor. They operate on a basic 100% on or completely off cycle. When the thermostat calls for cooling, the compressor inside the Acekool CP1 spikes with a heavy locked rotor amp draw to start up, which hits your power bills and makes the lights flicker if you're on a shared circuit. The Haier QPCA11YBMW handles the cycle exactly the same way, slamming on and off, unlike an inverter unit that can ramp its compressor speed down smoothly to keep energy draw low. The Acekool CP1 puts out a standard decibel level of 53. While the Haier QPCA11YBMW runs slightly louder at 55 decibels on its highest fan speed. Neither unit has smartphone control apps, Wi-Fi, or voice control features, so forget about adjusting them from your phone while away from home. Now let's talk about the price tags and what you actually get for your hard-earned money. The Haier QPCA11YBMW sits around $479 at major retail outlets, while the Acekool CP1 comes in cheaper at $399. When you analyze the real-world value, the Acekool unit gives you an energy efficiency rating of 7.7 EER, while the Haier unit lags behind at a lower 7.2 EER. That means the Haier model burns more electricity to deliver the same amount of heat removal, costing you extra money on your utility bills every month it runs. For long-term reliability, look at the factory warranty protection. Acekool provides a full 2-year warranty on both the unit and the compressor, which is a rare safety net for a budget brand manufactured in China. Haier only offers a standard 1-year warranty on their entire assembly, leaving you completely unprotected if the compressor fails during your second summer of heavy use. Given that the Acekool CP1 costs less at $399, provides a longer 2-year warranty, and runs more efficiently with a 7.7 EER rating, it is the clear winner over the $479 Haier QPCA11YBMW. You get better compressor protection and a lower operating cost, making it the smarter field-tested choice. That is how you shop like a pro.